Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that arithmetic operators and relational operators, right? So now today we are going to discuss about the equality operators. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the equality operators. Okay, equality operators, equality operators. So normally equality operators means only two operators. Okay, we can apply these operators. Okay, we can apply these operators for any type, even for incompatible type also. Incompatible type also. Okay, we can apply these operators for any type, even for incompatible types also. Now observe here. First, I am taking 10 double okay, 10 double equal to 10. 10 double equal to 10 means anyway both are same. So when both are same, it's going to return true. If I'm taking 10 double equal to 20 means so anyway it is not true. So it is going to return false. Okay. Now if I'm taking 10 double equal to true. Okay. Make sure true means internally it is going to replace as 1. Okay, internally it is going to replace as 1. So 10 double equal to true means false. But in this case, what is the output? 100% pakka, it is going to return answer as true, because true internally replaced as true only. Okay, next true double equal to true. True double equal to true means true only. And psi double equal to psi. Psi double equal to psi true. I'm taking incompatible types. Okay, I'm taking incompatible types. 10 double equal to psi. Okay, in this case also we are going to get false. Okay, make sure incompatible types I'm taking here. Where here it is int type and it is a boolean type, but boolean always internally replaced with 1. Okay, that's why here incompatible types also it's giving error. Here also it is giving answer. So that's why in the earlier session, in the earlier starting, I have explained equality operators we can apply for all types, even incompatible types also. Okay, even for the incompatible types also. Clear, right? So this is a small concept. Now in the next we are going to discuss about the logical operators. Okay, logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators. So logical operators means we can apply for all types actually. We can apply these operators for all types. How can we say we can apply for all types? First, there are three things are there. So logical operators means and or comma not and or not. Okay. First, for boolean type behavior. Okay, and means if both arguments are true, both arguments are true, then result is true. Okay, make sure if both arguments are true, then only result is true. Or condition means if at least one argument, Okay? If at least one argument is true, at least one argument is true, result is true. Okay? Result is true. If at least one argument is true, result is true. Not means reverse complement. If true is there, false. False is there, true. Okay. So in that case, observe the example. I'm taking true and true. So in this case, we are going to get the true, and true means the true only. Okay, true and true means the true only. But if I'm taking true and false, if I'm taking true and false means false. Okay, true and false means false. Make sure first Boolean operators and none first character should be capital. Okay, true or false. The true or false means so in this case true. Okay, not true. Not true means false. Not true means false. So here I want to explain now with respect to these. These I want to explain. Now first assume that x and y, x and y, x and y. If x evaluates to false, return x, otherwise returns y. Okay. Suppose here I'm taking, suppose here I'm taking, first here I'm taking 10 and 20. Okay, 10 and 20. Okay. Here assume that x and y. Okay. Here 10 and 20. So assume that this is A and this is B. So if x evaluates to false, then result return x, otherwise returns y. Okay, 10 and 20. 10 and 20 means observe what is the answer, 20. Okay, here I am saying if x evaluates to false, if x evaluates to false, returns x. If it is returning false means it we are going to get x, otherwise returns y. So in this case it is not returning false. Okay, it is just like 10 greater than 20. Okay, 10 greater than 20 means anyway that time we are getting false. So here we are giving the preference to the second one. Okay, if you observe in this case 0 and 20. Okay, anyway first one returning false. So when first one is returning false, so now we are going to get answer as 0. Clear, right? Now the next one, if the first argument is 0, then result is 0, otherwise result is y. So we can say in this point, if the first argument, the first argument is 0, then result is x. The first argument is 0, then result is x. First argument is 0, then result is x, otherwise result is y. Otherwise result is y. Now next one, x or y. X or y means 10 greater than 20. 10 greater 10 or 20. Okay, if I take 10 or 20, 10 or 20. Here what happen is if x evaluates to true, then result is x, otherwise result is y. So in our condition, if x evaluates to true, then result is x only. If it false, then result is y. Okay, now observe here, anyway in this case it is result is true. So then result is x, otherwise result is y. Now observe here 10 or 20 means 20. Okay, anyway first one it is returning true, evaluating true. So it is result is 10 only. Okay, if x evaluates to true, then result is x, otherwise result is y. 10 or 20. Okay, 10. Okay, let me copy paste from here. 0 or 20 means in this case first it is returning false. So false or true means we are going to get answer as 20. Okay, so next step. Second last one is not x. Okay, not x means not x. Anyway, we know what is true, what is false. Okay, if x evaluates to false, then result is true, otherwise result is false. Okay, observe 0 means false, except 0 if anything is there, true. Okay, if 0 is there, that is false. Okay, except 0 anything is we can consider as true. So that is, observe here, if x is evaluates to false, x evaluates to false, then result is true. X is evaluates to false, then result is true, otherwise result is false. Result is false. So in that case, observe here, I'm taking not 10. Okay, I'm telling that 10 means true, not true, false. Okay, not 0. 0 means false, not false means true. Okay, clear, right? So in this way we can apply all operators for logical operators. So logical operators means and, or, not. Okay, and we observe that equality operators also. Equality operators, we can apply these operators for any type for incompatible types also, even. Okay, so if you are having any questions or any queries, please reach out to my email ID in the description, or post your query in the comment section. I will give reply. Okay, thank you friends. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my channel.